How to show, display or get your add friend QR code in Roblox. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the steps on how you can access the QR code which lets others add you as a friend whenever they scan that. So let me show you how you can access that. So in order to start, the first thing that you will need to do is simply open up your Roblox application by tapping onto the application icon, and once your Roblox application launches you will see an interface like this. So now in this home page you will need to click onto connections, or you may also choose to tap onto this connect button right here. So whatever pleases you, simply do that, and then from here you will see at the top these two options. The first one is to add from contacts and the second one is to add from QR code. So simply choose the second option, and here it is. You can see this is your Roblox QR code, and anyone can simply scan this and then they will be able to add you as a friend. So that's how easily you can access your add friend QR code in Roblox. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.